I have the P.Louise July 2026 budget box. So if you want to see what's in the hot spot, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Always doing some work for like summer stuff, and Bandit's begging for food. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, beauty hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the P.Louise box does come from the UK, which means that there is a considerable shipping charge. It's no around, I think, like $12. I mean, that's not real bad considering how much, like if I had to ship something to the UK, what it would cost. But it is full of their monthly picks, usually curated around a theme. So let's get into this month's theme. It is the hot spot, and adorable little box there. And there's your sneak peek. Now, right off the get, we have this little makeup bag, and my niece loves this kind of print. So this is going to go to her at Christmas because she already got her birthday gift. It's got a little handle there. It unzips really neat. I like that, the way it unzips. Really get a nice full opening. And I think she'll like it. I think she'll really enjoy this. Next, we have the Handle the Heat mascara. And what does it say about this? It's got a full-bodied silicone wand engineered with densely packed ultrafine bristles to grip every lash from root to tip. It evenly coats, separates, and builds volume without clumping. And I do love a P.Louise mascara. So excited for that. I have 2 open right now, though. Just P.Louise. I have like 9 open right now, but 2 of them are P.Louise. Next, we have the Protect Your Pout Untamed Sugar. And this is one of those that you can put onto your bag. And it's just a tiny bit of caramel color, very, very tiny. Not enough to say, oh, this is definitely not going to look good. Like that's gonna end up clear on. Oh my God. Oh, that's deliciousness right there. That's deliciousness. I don't know why I put things back in the boxes like this. Just gonna have to break the box down. We then have the cheeks of it, or the cheek of it, but 2 of them, in Sweet Sundae and Naughty Nectarine. So let's check these out. Now, I love this brand. This is a cruelty-free brand. The owner, P.Louise, has a ton of energy. She's just adorable. Just whenever I watch her, I'm excited. All right, so this is the kind that you got to squeeze up into there. And I never know if you have to open it. Oh, no, you squish it down. So you're going to squish it down till the color comes out. Okay. That's the Sweet Sundae. That blends out beautifully. Okay, looks like I have 2 more active blushes going on here. Look at Mickey Mouse. All right, so there that is. And that also blends out. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the last thing in here is the Untamed Sugar All Over Body Glow. Oh, look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. It smells divine too. It does. You're going to smell so yummy. there it is right there. And that's for your body. And wowza. Oh, that's gorgeous. All right. Well, that is this month's box. I am super happy with it. Loving, loving, loving this box. I don't know why I waited so long to get on this train, but so happy I'm on it because I loved everything in the variety is pretty cool. It does end up being close to $60 a month. So it is pricier, and that's because of that shipping. I think it's regularly $40, but then you got to add in the shipping and your taxes, bringing it up there a little bit. But I'm loving it. So let me know your thoughts down below. Did you like this collection? Did you have a favorite item? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.